Hello, Namaste, how are you all? I'm fine, hope the same from your side. Today, let us speak about opportunity. Many times I have seen young students speaking that no, nowadays there are no job opportunities and all. On the contrary, I see many opportunities nowadays, and many times opportunities are under our feet. We are not able to recognize it. That is why we complain that there are no opportunities. Let me first share a story with you so that you will understand how opportunities lie under our feet. There was a farmer and he was happy and he was content. He was happy because he was content. He was content because he was happy. One day, a wise man came to him and told him about the glory of diamonds and the power that goes along with them. He told about the power of the diamonds. The wise man said, if you had a diamond the size of your thumb, you could have your own city. If you had a diamond the size of your fist, you could probably own your own country. And then he went away. That night, the farmer could not sleep. He had no sleep at all. He was unhappy and he was discontent. See, he was unhappy and he was discontent. He was unhappy because he was discontent, and discontent because he was unhappy. So he kept on thinking and thinking. He couldn't sleep even a single minute. The next morning, he made arrangements to sell off his farm, took care of his family, and went in search of diamonds. See what he did the next day. He looked all over Africa and couldn't find any. He looked all through Europe and couldn't find any. When he got to Spain, he was emotionally, physically, and financially broke. He got so disheartened that he threw himself into the Barcelona River and committed suicide and ended his life. Now, what happened back home? Back home, the person who had bought his farm was watering the camels at a stream that ran through the farm. Across the stream, the rays of the morning sun hit a stone and made it sparkle like a rainbow. He thought it would look good on the mantelpiece. He picked up the stone and put it in the living room in the showcase. That afternoon, the wise man came back again and he looked at this sparkling stone and he asked, "Is of his back?" The new owner said, "No, why do you ask?" The wise man said, "Because that is a diamond. I recognize one when I see one." The man said, "No, that is just a stone I picked up from the stream. Come, I will show you. There are so many such stones." They went and picked some samples and sent them for analysis. Sure enough, The stones were diamonds. They found the farm was indeed covered with acres and acres of diamonds. Now tell me, what is the moral of the story? It has got 5 morals. First is, when our attitude is right, we realize that we are all walking on acres and acres of diamonds. See, when our attitude is right, we feel that we are walking over acres and acres of diamonds. Opportunities is always under our feet. Just imagine, opportunity is always under our feet. We don't have to go anywhere. All we need to do is recognize it. The grass on the other side always looks greener. While we are eyeing the grass on the other side, there are others who are standing on the other side and they are eyeing the grass on our side. They would be happy to trade places with us. When people don't know how to recognize opportunity, they complain of noise when it knocks. Actually, who knocks at your door at that time? It is the opportunity. The same opportunity never knocks twice. The next opportunity may be a better one or worse, but it is never the same one. Again, when the opportunity comes, it is the new opportunity. It is not the new opportunity. So what we will do today onwards? We will stop complaining about the opportunities. We will find the opportunities. If there is no door to be knocked for opportunity, what we will do? We will build a new door so that the opportunity knocks at that. That is why what we have to do is, we have to look around. There are so many opportunities. So many opportunities. Only we should have the insight to look into that opportunity and find out the opportunity. So, from today onwards, we will stop complaining that there is no opportunity, no job opportunity, nothing. You are knowing, though people say there is no opportunities in a particular area, but you might have seen some people who have created opportunities. They might have created for the travelers, visitors, tourists, it as a place of tourism. They may not be growing much there, but it might be a place for tourism. You may prepare new things, because we have seen so many people creating new things. So what we need is, we should have a rare ideas, and these ideas should be changed into new things. Then even we can prepare, or we can create new opportunities. Recently we had been to a homestay in Chikmagalur. It was in the coffee estate, vast coffee estate, and in between. And the homestay was so beautiful, and so you are knowing, everywhere greenery, coffee plantation, mountains, this and that. When I asked the owner, he told, What to do, ma'am? Nowadays we are not getting labor to work in this coffee field. That is why we have changed into a homestay. And you are knowing, weekends at least it is very difficult to get a place there unless until you book it beforehand. So see how people think in a modern way and create new opportunities. So opportunities can be created. I think you do agree with me. Have a good day.